Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a smooth scrolling timeline animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First create a new composition, then select the type tool and start typing your numbers. Begin from the number where you want the animation to start, then press enter after each number and continue typing until you reach your final number. In my case, the last number will be 2025. Next, adjust the line spacing and letter spacing using this panel so nothing overlaps and everything stays readable. After that, close the text properties and open the Align tab. Use these two buttons to center the entire text block vertically and horizontally. Now select the text layer and press P for position. Increase the Y coordinate until your first number comes into the center. To align it perfectly, click on the title action safe button. This will show you a plus shaped guide in the middle. Match your number exactly to the center. Once this done, deselect the text layer and choose the rectangle tool. Set the fill to a solid color and set the stroke to none. Draw a nice rectangle right over your first number. Now go to Effects and Presets, search for Gaussian blur and then drag it to the rectangle layer. Turn off the repeat edge pixels and set the blurriness to 100. If you still see your numbers peeking above and below, simply make the rectangle a bit bigger. Then open the Align tab again and center the rectangle vertically and horizontally too. Next, click the Toggle Switch Modes button. Under the Track Mate, change the text layer's matte to Shape layer so the rectangle acts as a mask. Now select your text layer and set a keyframe on position. Move to the 3-second mark and reduce the Y position until your last number scrolls into your view. Then select both keyframes, right click, go to Keyframe Assistant and choose Easy Ease. And finally, enable motion blur for the layer to make the scrolling look smooth and natural. And that's it, your scrolling timeline animation is ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you in the next one.